Give me a few seconds of your time. I'm going to show you something super cool you never know. So you're a TikToker or you're a content creator and you're trying to download a video from TikTok without the watermark, probably because you want to use it for your own content. You want to create a reaction video, a commentary video, something like that, and you're looking for a way to download this video without the watermark. So this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can download videos from TikTok without watermark. So let's get to it real quick. Now the first thing you have to do is download something called TikTok video downloader from either Play Store or App Store. Whichever one you use, depending on the phone you use, you go to Play Store. And in my own case, I'm going to go over to Play Store. Alright, so when you're on Play Store, you go and search for TikTok video downloader. So after you get these options, you get these results here, then you choose anyone that you think you like. After you've installed the application, in my own case I already have one installed, which is a Talk. Now they changed the name to Snap Talk, but it's still the same app. So I'm just going to open up the app, then I'll go over to TikTok. I'll grab the link of the video that I want to download. Alright, so while this is opening, so I'm going to open up TikTok, find the video that I want to download without watermark, right? And I'm going to
payment received in OPay.
I'm going to copy the link to the video. Then I'll go over to that app, and then I'll paste the link here. Alright, but automatically it should even paste the link for me. But play an advert or in the process of downloading the video, and then you watch the advert for some seconds, and then you can close it. Alright, so now the video is already downloaded, I think. Now I can play the video. If I go to check my gallery now, the video will be in my gallery. So that's how you do it. That's the process. It's something very simple. It's not hard. If you found any value in this, like, share, subscribe, follow. If you're watching on TikTok, if you're watching on YouTube, just help the account, help the channel grow. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.